Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday, the 17th of July 2023. So dollar dives in dovish week, stocks, bonds and gold and crypto soar. Dollar club like a baby seal as rate hike odds fade. Well, that's an interesting one. Stocks struggle despite solid earnings while disinflation trade takes profit. So economic news for today, ECB Lagarde is going to be speaking. We've got the Empire Manufacturing out at 1:30 p.m. as well. What we got for the rest of the week? I think it's a fairly quiet week, isn't it? The G20 is dominating. CPI for the UK on Wednesday, so that's good. We have still got some inflationary data tomorrow as well with the core retail sales from the US retail sales. And what else have we got in the week? Not a lot. So the main focus is going to be UK CPI, which is forecast to drop half of 1% there by the looks of things. Okay, let's move on. Have a look at the markets. Kick off with the Dow. So in the Dow on Friday, the market moving back up, still struggling with the 34,571. The market needs to take this out. We've got a situation, of course, where we've only got a bit of news heading into the summer vacation as well. So despite that, the market is fairly free-ish to move to the upside. We saw this on Friday with the Dow. Guess where it came off? The low, or down towards the low. There it is. And then straight up for the morning session. And then on the afternoon, or during the afternoon, we see the cash market moving slightly sideways to lower, retracing up to the R3. See how the market stopped at the R3 on this occasion as well. Back to the DP, and the market now currently just sitting above this. And in the German DAX, a bit weaker. DAX down on Friday, down a bit overnight, and just below the 5-bar moving average that you can see there at the moment. In the 30-minute chart, we had a bit of weakness, shakeout there, back up to towards the close and triple top resistance to the left, and then down on the overnight, which is unusual. So I'd be interested to see what Lagarde's got to say today to bring the market back. We're actually trading below the low of Friday as well at the moment. So we need to get back above this in order to attack the DP and the 20 bar and 50 MA. In the 5-minute chart, for Friday, you can see that pre-market we moved higher, and then we started to make our way down. We were sideways for a good while before the market then shook out to the downside, bounced off the BRN up to the 50-bar moving average, and then had its shake out, and you can see them buying back in there with this volume. The market then turned around and headed back up. And there you can see that we had a response to the US when it opened, the market moving higher, but then reversed, traded sideways, then shook out, and then eventually made its way down during the evening. It was a very strange day on Friday, particularly at the start of the session where the market just traded sideways for we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, nearly 30 minutes of doing absolutely nothing there. And in the S&P 500, still making its move to the upside in the monthly chart. We can see there that we're just at the 78% retracement. The 4817.5 by the end of the summer is looking fairly good for this market as well at the moment. Daily chart again above the 5-bar moving average, very strong compared to the others. 30-minute chart moving up, and then of course we had a bit of a move to the downside, but we're coming off the low already. Got the close there, and also we need to get above the 50 MA to get back to the DP. The FT100 down, well, it went up, then came down, went towards the 78% retracement, below the 5 MA at the moment. But let's just have a look at the 30-minute chart. We shot up to the R2, I think that is. Let me just bring this down. Yeah, shot up towards the R2, became overbought. The market then moved down, and now we're oversold. We need to get back above the close, the 20 MA, the 50 EMA, and the DP on the upside. Otherwise, we're going to test the S1 there. So the dollar certainly clubbed like a baby seal, as the headline says there. You can see the market down, finding a bit of support during Friday though at the moment. And in the metals, silver still managing to put a few points on, or cents on Friday, and 78% retracement there. Don't be surprised if the dollar makes a bit of a comeback and the silver price gets hammered back down towards the 200 MA. But a good week for silver. See how choppy it was during Friday with a bit of news there. But on the whole, moving higher. But shakeout in Asia down to the S1, but trying to make its comeback there. Gold also, not having such a good day on Friday. That's coming back down to the lows, where silver held on the highs. But overnight, gold sideways to higher. And the 30-minute chart, again, you can see how it got hammered down to Thursday's low. And overnight too, this also back down to Friday's low. So bouncing off this at the moment. So again, gold coming under pressure as central banks continue to accumulate as much gold as possible. And finally, in the gold-silver ratio, it's been down for the last 3 days, back down below 79 at the moment. So a good level for this market at the moment. Okay, that will do it for this one. Let's see what the market has in store for us today. Like I say, there's no real news at all. Lagarde at 9:15, Empire State at 1:30, I think it was, wasn't it? So let's just double check. Let's have a look. Yeah, 1:30 is usually the time for that. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, that's it. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next.